Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Star and Craft by Mechi. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. Let's keep the train going. Press the notification bell so whenever I upload a video, it's going to notify you. And please share, top up for me, subscribe, comment, and love my videos. Today tutorial, we are going to make this beautiful twisted braided wig. Twisted all around braided wig. I'll show you the back. So if you want to learn how to make this, let's go. In this tutorial, we'll be needing our wig cap, our canvas head, then our hair extension. I've already twisted this one, and I've made a video on how I twisted this braided hair extension if you want to use it for wig. So I will put the link in description below. So let's get started. I've already do part of this is one part, then, and I've already marked it in the styles that you want. You can mark it in the styles that you want. I've used pencil to mark it in the styles that I wanted to bring out of it. Then I've already do part of this one, but I'm going to show you how I made the part of this one. So I use crochet pin. Like I said, I've already marked my styles. I've marked it. So this is how the braiding something is going to come out. So let's get started. beautiful. I'm going to remove the pin, then I'll put it on. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Let's keep the train going. Thumbs up, press the notification bell so whenever I put on video, it's going to notify you. Thanks for being with me. Thanks for watching. Bye.